Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Gmail API in a Node application, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install the Gmail API in a Node application, start by setting up your development environment. Ensure you have Node.js installed on your machine. Next, create a new directory for your project. Navigate to this directory using your terminal. Run npm init to create a package.json file. This file will manage your project's dependencies. Now, install the Google APIs client library using npm. Type npm install Google APIs in the terminal and press enter. Once the installation completes, you will need to set up your Google Cloud Console. Go to the Google Cloud Console website. Create a new project by clicking on the Select a Project drop-down. Then, click on New Project and give it a name. After your project is created, navigate to the Library section in the console. Search for Gmail API and click on it. Enable the Gmail API for your project. Next, go to the Credentials tab on the left sidebar. Click on Create Credentials and choose OAuth Client ID. You will need to configure the consent screen. Provide the necessary application information. After this, select Web Application as the application type. Enter an appropriate name and set the authorized redirect URIs. Typically, this should be your local development URL, like http://localhost 3000. Once done, click on Create. Your client ID and client secret will be displayed. Make sure to copy these credentials and save them securely. Now, create a file named index.js in your project directory. In this file, require the Google APIs library at the top. You can do this by writing const google equals require Google APIs, instantiate the OAuth2 client with const OAuth2 client equals new google.auth.oauth2, your _client _. Now, you can generate an authentication URL. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.